Hello everyone, I'm from ATI. We bought an SMT line from ICT. We are very happy with it. This is a loader. Here we have the stencil printer, a convoy, the pick and place machine, another convoy, the big oven, reflow oven. Yes, and here's another cooling convoy. And finally the uploader. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think Andy is a good teacher and I'm a good service, and I couldn't be happier.